Hello, how are you? It is a beautiful spring afternoon here in the Clee, and I am sitting outside my kid's orthodontist's appointment, and I just wanted to pop on here and talk to you about this habit that I've been practicing now for 15 years nearly that will change your life. This habit is one that has a number of different components, and not only will it change the way you feel, it will change the way you think. It rewires your brain, which is really freaking cool. And it also changes your biology. It literally changes, hey, how are you? Oh my God, it's been a while since we've seen each other. So this habit that I'm talking about is meditation. Meditation is really, really powerful. So one of the things that I love about meditation, and I was initially kind of resistant to it because it felt like it wasn't productive, like I wasn't actually doing anything useful, like I was just sitting there working with my mind, and I had to do it as part of my first yoga teacher training about 15 years ago. And because I had to do it, of course I was resistant to it because I have a rebellious nature, but I started doing it, and what I realized was that it was teaching me a number of really important skills. One of the first skills it taught me was how to become friendly with myself, was how to be comfortable with my own mind and what went on inside of it and where my thoughts went. What it also taught me was how to pause before I reacted, right? Because I would sit there and the dog would bark and I would go, oh, barking. And instead of reacting to that and jumping up and going, the postman's not going to kill you, come and sit down again, everything's fine. Or if I had a thought that was really upsetting or disturbing, hi daughter, I wouldn't react to it. It created that space, right? So that's one of the most powerful things about meditation, is it teaches you how to work with your own mind. My car keys are in my bag, love. You can grab them. So that's one of the best things about meditation. The other thing about meditation is that it literally rewires your brain, which to me is really exciting because I have a PhD in neuroscience. I get really fucking nerdy and excited about this stuff. So when you practice loving kindness meditation, what it will do is it will rewire the areas of the brain associated with empathy and compassion, which is really huge. And I think we could all do with a lot more of that in the world right now. Do you not agree? It also can change our biology. Literally, when you meditate, you change your blood pressure, which is associated with things like coronary heart disease and stroke. It changes your reaction to cortisol. And cortisol is a stress hormone. And if you have one oh shit stress moment a day, you have cortisol flooding your system. And the problem with cortisol is that it takes 24 hours to break down, unlike adrenaline, which breaks down really quickly. And when cortisol builds up, it tends to build up particularly around the midsection, which means you put on fat around the midsection. Doesn't really matter personally, like the look of it, but the issue is that that fat is metabolically active and it is around your digestive organs, around your reproductive organs, which is dangerous. The other thing that meditation is shown to be really helpful for is PTSD and managing anxiety and depression. And then the one that really turns me on, it gets me so freaking excited, is that when you meditate, you literally change your DNA. Your DNA literally changes. So at the end of each strand of DNA is a thing called a telomere. And when you meditate, the telomere grows. So why is that important? The length of the telomere is associated with your immune function, is associated with how healthy you are, and is associated with anti-aging. So, if you're not into like Botox and stuff, which, that's fine if you're into that. If you're not into taking anything, meditate and you will change your DNA. Meditate and you will literally make yourself younger and healthier. How freaking cool is that? So, huge advocate of meditation I am, and I am teaching a workshop this Saturday, live and in person, 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time at Breathe Cleveland. It's a yoga studio in Pinecrest. I'm going to drop the link below, and I really hope you can come. If you can't come, let me know, and whether virtual options would be better, because the studio does have option to do virtual and live events combined, because that's how I teach my yoga. So if you can't make it in person, either because of the timing or because you don't live locally, let me know and we will set up another workshop where I have virtual options too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you there. And if you can't make it, just start meditating. There are a fuck ton of great apps out there. 10% Happier, Calm, Insight, all of them. They're all great meditation apps out there. Just start meditating because it will change your life, my love. Mwah. Have a great day. Bye.